a day that I don't celebrate, but because I'm saying something to you means I must celebrate it. The words that come out of your mouth. This is somebody's father's world. And you're supposed to be separate from the world. But the world was created if you take the L out of the world. It's just the word, right? Should we scratch off the L? Huh? That for those who celebrate these days and holidays created by J.C. Hall and them. Yep, J.C. Penney, something T.T. Hall, Hyde and Clyde. Huh? I'm giving you this whole mark. He said I'm gonna mark you out of Missouri. I'm gonna mark you out of Missouri. They put her on a mission. Whoever he bounded his soul with. These Father's Day celebrations go so deep that King Charles them is calling it the first one this time. You mean what time? Algorithmic Era 1. He's celebrating the first year of his father's world. Right now, he on a